Hey guys, welcome back again. In this video we are going to learn how can we manage logo and theme on the FreshBooks app. Let's get started. Once you open the FreshBooks, you will get this page. Here you have to click on the settings icon. Now you have to click on settings option. Here you can see logo and theme option. Click on this. Now we have theme colors here. You can choose any color from here. Also you can customize it according to yourself. Now we comes on font. Here we can add a font. We have two options, modern or classic. You can choose any option for yourself. Now you can see you can delete the image or you can change it. Now again, if you want to select a file, now you can see it has been changed. Now you have to click on the save option. So this is how we can manage the logo and themes here. So that's it for this video guys. I hope it was great help to you. Thanks for watching this and I will see you in the next video.